General knowledge question and answers. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Camel. How many days there in a week? 7 days. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 26 letters. Rainbow consists of how many colors? 7 colors. How many days are there in a year? 365 days, not a leap year. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. How many seconds are there in a minute? 60 seconds. How many seconds make 1 hour? 3600 seconds. Baby frog is known as tadpole. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? 21 consonants. How many vowels are there in the English alphabet and name them? 5 vowels, namely A, E, I, O, U. Which animal is known as the king of jungle? The lion. How many continents are there in the world? 7 continents. Name the biggest continent in the world. Asia. Name the primary colors. Red, yellow and blue.